Ron's pond was full of weeds and cattails and was completely detracting from the property. So the very first thing we did was we scooped it out and began a restoration. This included installing planting beds completely around the pond and an aeration system. After it was planted, it now is completely self-managing and requires no care. And we have proceeded to plant more flowers and install tables and chairs, and it has provided a comfortable room for the house. The entire project took less than 3 years and was performed by Ron and his boys along with his helpmate. And it is a beautiful pond and remains so.